Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. The wireless doorbell extender with receiver extends the range of an existing hardwired doorbell. Turn off the power to the existing hardwired doorbell and remove the chime cover. Mount the extender inside or outside of hardwired box. Attach the connectors to the hardwired box. If you do not have a rear doorbell, wrap tape around the brown connector and leave disconnected. Restore the power to the existing doorbell. Plug the receiver into an outlet. Press the program button on the receiver to pair the devices. Receiver will beep. Press the doorbell button. Existing doorbell sounds and receiver will beep. Press the program button on the receiver to exit pairing mode. Receiver will beep. Test by pressing and releasing the doorbell button. Front door will ding dong and the rear door will ding. Replace the cover. Doorbell extender is ready for use. Receiver can be moved up to 500 feet line of sight from extender. STI-3300 wireless doorbell extender with receiver. For more information, please visit our website at sti-usa.com.